very warm welcome. You're watching Times Now Live. Welcome and thank you for joining us. I'm Pratibha Chandran and we're joining you from the heart of the action in Chennai. The suspense continues and it has only increased. Who is going to be the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu? Currently, multiple meetings are taking place to decide on who the Chief Minister will be, which is the party that can cobble up the support enough to have the majority mark in the floor of the House. Now, we are currently in Chennai, outside Vijay's residence. A lot of supporters have gathered here as well. As you can see, the supporters have gathered to just get a glimpse of Vijay, asking the question, when will he become the Chief Minister? Now, more information coming in. Let's get you the top developments. In just a short while from now, within 2.5 hours, Vijay is expected to meet the governor. Is he going to be the Chief Minister today? Many supporters here are raising slogans right outside his residence. Okay, let's talk about the top developments currently. He is all set to meet the governor shortly, and we are told that the CPI, CPM as well as the VCK could be extending their support. These speculations have been rife since yesterday, and currently we are told that it is almost being finalized. VCK will make that decision at 5 p.m. when a virtual meeting is going to be organized. Currently, inside Vijay's residence as well, multiple meetings are going on. Earlier today, Sengotian was at his residence. Now, Adhav Arjuna. These are key strategists of the party who have played an important role in the TVK forming, getting the 108 mark. So here is where the meetings are taking place. But let's also talk about what's expected in the next few hours. The numbers from the CPI, CPM, the left parties as well as the VCK is going to be extremely crucial, because only if they reach the 118 mark can Vijay take oath as the Chief Minister, because the governor has made it clear that he will be called to take oath only if he can prove that he has the numbers. Let's tell you what has happened in the last 3 days. In the last 3 days, there have been 2 meetings. Today is the 3rd meeting that will take place. The question is, what has changed from yesterday to today? Does Vijay now have the letter of support from these parties or not? The meeting is scheduled for 6 p.m. and it all boils down to whether Vijay is able to convince the governor, whether he gets that letter of support or not. Let's get you more breaking updates now coming in of which are the parties that are all set to support TVK. Now, as of now, details have been coming in. Top sources telling Times Now that the CPI has almost finalized the deal and is all set to support Vijay. The official position will be clear at 4:30 p.m. in just about an hour from now, after which we will have further clarity. But as of now, sources indicating that it is all but clear. CPI is all set to extend support. Does this mean that it would be the same stand taken by the CPIM? Now, these numbers are very, very important. Each of these parties have 2 seats each, and this would take the tally further. Currently, what TVK has is 107 MLAs, 108, but one of the seats will have to be given up by Vijay because he contested in 2 seats. So TVK has 107 plus 5 that has come in from the Congress party, so 112. So if the 2 left parties come together, then that number goes up to 116, which means that only one other MLA would be required. Is that support going to come in from the VCK is the question. All of it will be clear in just a few hours from now. Let's get you political reactions coming in as well. There have been hectic developments here, massive changes. It's a political pot boiler that has been changing its script almost every hour. Listen in to this political reaction.
The largest party should have been invited to form the government, and a specific time period should have been given to prove his majority on the floor of the House. Why the Honorable Governor of Tamil Nadu did not do this is highly intriguing and it is disturbing. We, CPIM, in consultation with other friendly parties, CPI and VCK, we have decided that within few hours' time, we will consult and take a view. The single largest party should be able to form a government. What is required for that, these 3 parties are consulting and we will take a decision.
So, Shomit, it looks like the picture is going to be clear in some time. Who is going to actually reach that finish line of 118? That suspense has really built up. But it looks like now we're getting a lot of information, more clarity from these parties as well. Is it now all but clear that the CPI and CPIM will be extending their support to the TVK? What are you picking up?
Well, shortly from now, just from now, it is just 55 minutes where CPI and CPM leaders will be addressing the media. So we are already at the CPI office, and CPI leaders are also here, and they're discussing, and they've stated that at 4:30 they will be addressing a joint press conference. So CPI and CPM are expected here, and they will be announcing their decision since morning, from morning 10-11. Their executive meetings are going on at the CPI office, CPM at the CPM office. Now, all the leaders are together. They are going to come to this CPI office where we are reporting from. They will be addressing at 4:30 is what we are given to understand, and at the same time they will be announcing whether or not they will be supporting the TVK. So as of now, what we have learned from the sources is that they are likely to support the TVK, because since yesterday we were seeing they are inclined towards the TVK forming the government in Tamil Nadu, and they have even come out and spoken against the governor's action, saying that when it is the BJP state, governor's
update that you're bringing for us, Shomit. Shomit, that's a big update that you're bringing for us, that there could be a joint briefing. Is that an indication that all the details have been finalized, that the CPI, CPIM and the VCK will extend support? Because together they have 6 MLAs, and this means that Vijay will be over the final mark. He will be at the finish line. So this is a very, very important update, because there's a joint briefing that's expected. So all indications, Shomit, that perhaps everything has been finalized and this will just be a formal announcement.
Well, see, this is big for the TVK, and even left parties, including VCK, knew about this, and that's the reason they were actually holding each and every discussion, and they also need the cabinet berth each to each party is what we are given to understand. Is now these talks were conducted during their meetings is what we are given to understand, and what we have learned from the top sources of the CPI and CPM and the VCK. So already their MLAs are inclined towards the TVK. They wanted to join the TVK, and that's the reason they have organized the executive committee meeting yesterday. TVK joint secretary has met all these leaders and have handed over the letter from the Vijay, where he has asked to extend the support. So short while from now, a joint briefing is expected where these leaders will be announcing whether or not they are going to support. So, but as of now, it's very much clear that since yesterday, since day before yesterday, actually, they are inclined towards the TVK, and since yesterday, they are voicing out against the governor's actions, and they are clearly saying that the governor should invite Vijay and should allow him to form the government in Tamil Nadu. And shortly from now, all the leaders are expected here. Joint briefing means, it clearly says one thing, that these 3 parties, VCK, CPI and CPM, like you're mentioning, they have the 6 MLAs. So clearly, these 3 parties or 2 parties coming together and holding the joint briefing, that clearly states that they take the joint decisions, not just they don't have different opinions. They go on one opinion, they go with one party. So they are right now with the DMK, and DMK has already stated that, we have learned from the sources from the DMK, that DMK is having no problem these political parties going and extending the support to the TVK. So shortly from now, meetings conducted, meetings are almost done. Shortly they are going to announce their decision. Back to you, Pratibha.
Okay, all right. That suspense can continue for about 1 hour, after which the decision will be clear. Is Vijay going to be meeting the governor? That's the question. We are told that the meeting has now been deferred. It was initially planned for 4:30 p.m. Let's take this across to Times Now's Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan joining us on the broadcast. And Madhav, this could be a big update if the parties do extend support. Today's meeting with the governor is going to be very crucial, unlike yesterday where he didn't have the letters of support. Today, is he going to have these letters of support to form the government is the question.
Well, at 4:30 we'll know for sure, but yes, there is every indication that that is where things are headed. As we've been discussing since morning, these three political parties, the VCK, the CPI and the CPM, are likely to be the kingmakers in this situation because their bloc, they always vote as one, they decide as one in the politics of Tamil Nadu, and in fact that has been how these three parties are ever since. They've of course independently decided within their own ranks, and now of course what we are told is that these parties are of course going to be supporting the entire TVK alliance. This is what we understand. Now the big question that we have to also look at is what will happen as far as Vijay is concerned. At the moment the governor has not granted an appointment as far as Vijay is concerned. He's seeking to actually meet the governor at around 6 p.m. is what we understand. So right after that 4:30 announcement publicly, Vijay, if he is armed with those letters of support and if he does meet the governor, then will the governor have any other option in terms of not allowing Vijay to form the government? He has publicly taken a position that the letters of support are what are really required, that a majority of MLAs should be with Vijay, and therefore if Vijay is able to muster that number of 118, the magic figure, then of course in all probability Vijay will be invited to form the government. But yes, it's not over till it's over. There's been many a slip between the cup and the lip when it comes to Tamil Nadu politics, and particularly the last 48 hours, two failed attempts at meeting the governor and trying to get the kind of permission to go ahead and carry out a swearing-in ceremony. Will he be third time lucky? That's a question as far as Vijay is concerned. At the moment, the Lok Bhavan sources have not confirmed that a meeting time has been given to Vijay, so that is still in the works in a sense. But yes, over here as you can see, in fact the complete security barricading that has been put up, the huge amount of security personnel who are in place, all signs of expecting a high-profile visit to the Lok Bhavan that we are looking at. Of course, we've also seen series of protests of members of the TVK who've come in here and have actually, time and again said that they are opposed to the governor not allowing their leader Vijay to be given that invitation as far as the chief minister's position is concerned, as far as being sworn in is concerned, and that's why we have seen multiple TVK members come in and protest here right through the day, yesterday as well as today. Even a short while back earlier, that was the situation over here. So the big question at this point of time is what will happen as and when that particular meeting takes place, and what are we likely to see in terms of the outcomes of these meetings. Strong possibility, of course, as per sources, that these three parties might support TVK, and if that support does come in, will the governor have any other option but to invite Vijay as to form the government? The magic figure, of course, at 118 in such a situation, we are told, is likely to be reached by Vijay. So all eyes on whether that meeting will happen. Of course, this is very, very crucial. Why these 6 seats are very crucial is, remember, that even if the DMK and the AIDMK have to form an alliance, they would need the support of these 6 members for them to reach the magic figure. And that is why this 4:30 press conference or announcement is perhaps going to be the final, very, very important announcement as far as the entire saga that we've seen over the last 72 hours in terms of government formation and the massive twists and turns are concerned. So all eyes on that 4:30 press conference, as well as on the scheduled or at least expected meeting of Vijay and the governor that's scheduled to take place at 6 p.m.
Yes, and the TVK can't leave anything to chance. Like we saw yesterday, while they were confident of a support, perhaps they didn't have the letters of support, which changed the entire story. We have more breaking updates now coming in.